Hi everyone, in today's episode I'll be showing you the ways to hide story on Instagram. In order to hide story on Instagram, what you'll need to do is basically you have to log in into your Instagram account first of all. So there are different ways of doing it. So first of all, let me show you one of the easiest way on doing it. So now once you're logged in, go to your profile and tap the profile icon. After that, tap on the tab bar and go to settings and privacy. While you're on this page, you need to scroll down a bit and you'll be able to see hide story and live. So from here, you can go ahead and select the particular users or the contact that you wish to hide your story or live from. So go ahead and select the one, and after that, you need to go ahead and tap the button or just mark on it, and once you've done that, the particular or the following selected people will not be able to see your story on Instagram. So this was one of the way. Apart from it, you can also go ahead and customize it yourself. So for that, you need to go ahead and open up your story from top, and after that you need to upload a story first of all. So when you upload let me go ahead and select this one, and as you can see right at the bottom, you have two different options. That is, either you can add it to your close friend list, which means those contacts that you've selected to be added on the close friend. Apart from it, you can just go to your story, and from there you can customize who can actually see your story and who cannot. So in this way, you can hide your Instagram story. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.